Alright, I think both the GoPros are running. I'm going to try to get synchronized GoPro today. We'll see how it goes. Winds are good, 20-ish. Got the 12 meter pumped up in Rehoboth Bay, April 13th, Sunday I think, April 12th, something like that. Here we go. Always be ready to eject when launching the kite in case anything goes bad with the lines. Okay, bring the trim in to bring some power out of the kite. A little gusty. Very gusty. Winds in and out. So we'll see how this goes. Gonna be probably a workout to stay upwind, but we'll give it a go. Down, and we'll try to get the board on. Foot in, right foot in, power up the kite here. Power dive, and away we go. No wind. And okay, I think we are going to be able to stay upwind. Chopper comes out of there. A lot smoother this for sure. Yeah, wind's really in and out. Just lost it. See if we can make some upwind really on that turn. Hard to know where the wind is. Pulling good now. Glad we pumped up to 12. Whoa. Big gust. Thinking of opening up to 11. Past where we started already, so that's good. Past in the upwind direction, that is. So we were able to get upwind on the first tack. Ah, this chop's killing me. going to be this choppy. It's going to be a short session. This is why I just invested in a surfboard, an actual kite surfboard. So supposedly they're a lot easier in the chop. We'll see. That's brutal. Wind is, you can see me pulling in and out on the bar constantly. Wind is just all over the place today. Upwind nicely, probably 50 yards upwind already. Happy Easter, everybody. Got my pumpkin kite, good old 12 meter. First kite I ever bought used on eBay. $500 for that baby. They're triple that, brand new. Oh, way overpowered. Trying to pull in some trim there. I come in here and take a little breather. Alright, take a break. You can see the wind just all over the place, gusting. But got a few good runs already. Ah, boy, it just wants to pull me out the seat. I'm gonna set her down, trim it in, because the wind has just picked up a lot just in the last 5 minutes. So I'll probably ride it all the way trimmed in, one or two more tacks and call it a day. Because now we're moving into 11, 10 meter kite range. And the 12's gonna get me overpowered too quick. See the kite jumping around in the water pretty good from the gusts. All right. Yeah, if the water wasn't so blown out, it'd be really nice. I don't know if it comes across on GoPro, but it's not white caps. Well, a few white caps, but pretty choppy. The wakeboarders would not be happy in that chop. Okay. Board back on here. Kite's still pulling pretty good. Whoa, whoa. That's all the way trimmed in. So we're in for a ride here. Not much of a I barely dove the kite there to get up. So a whole lot of wind right now. Whoa. Kite's not flying very good, all the way trimmed in, so I'm going to give it some more power here. Okay. Alright. Yeah. One thing you can do to take some power out of the kite is edge harder upwind. If there's any Easter eggs out here. dangling. Can't touch it this far. Set the kite on the wind. Set it right down over here. So as long as the kite's on that side of the window, should keep pulling us towards shore. Just overpower me a little bit there. This is why I always ride with a board leash, which is frowned upon in many kiteboarders. But I'm not a jumper or anything, so it's more dangerous to lose my board than it is to ride with a board leash. If I get stuck out in the middle of the water with no board, that's bad. So already now. Chest deep, I'd say. Just gonna catch my breath, pop the board back up. Get our breath back. We'll rush it. So that's how it happened to me early in the season when I first started kiteboarding. So I popped my board off, popped over the top of it just like that. Lost my board. About 40 yards behind me, couldn't get back to it. Swam to my kite, deflated my kite, which is a big mistake. You should never deflate your kite while in the water. And yeah, nightmare number one. But yeah, learn. That's a lesson you don't repeat. Back on. And there we go. The wind just died. Back. Back and forth. And yeah, wind just all over the place. Yeah. Well, forecast said 21 to like 36, so probably being pretty true to that. I'm gonna take one more tack. Oh, damn it. I don't know, it's getting real sketchy now. The wind's getting worse. I'm not gonna go out that far this time. They're just too all over the place for this rookie's skills. Sure is fun though. Touchdown. Touch and go. Riding a lot more conservatively now with the wind is sketchy as it is. We're gonna pull it right up the shore here and call it a day. Great day on the water. Got a little sketched with losing the board. That's okay. Got it back. right, top of safety. We're not going to self-land it with a top line today. Way too gusty, way too strong winds. Kite would definitely roll down the beach. Picnic tables. Wait for it to drift down a little bit. Top of safety. So down here, QR1. There she goes. Nice safe release. Kite's in a good spot. Kite's landing nicely. Face down in the water. It's a good safe position. Reel her in and call her a day. It's got nice and sunny out. Whew. Alright, what a workout. Got my Easter kite for Easter Sunday. Actually, I call that my pumpkin kite. But hey, kite's pulling double duty. Alright. Around, throw a half hitch in there, lock the lines. One last half hitch in the safety line. There we go. So that's secure. Grab all 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start winding up. All right. Be cool to see if the video came out in the kite. If I can sync these videos up. Wouldn't that be special? Had that kite mount for a while. Tried it out yesterday for the first time. I realized I had to switch the GoPro mode from wide, which is what you typically want with POV, like the one I ride here. I always have that on wide angle, and the board, when I put it on the board, I have that on wide angle. But with the kite, you probably want that on what they call medium angle GoPro. It's kind of like a digital zoom. So we'll see how it came out, if at all. I think I turned it on. Alright. All wound up. Happy Easter, everybody. I'm gonna drag this sucker into the beach. Our bungees on. There we go. Grab it by the bridle. Get up to the leading edge. That leading edge, and hey, we're all safe. It looks like the GoPros are saying hi to each other again. Hey, we're all safe. Looks like the GoPros are saying hi to each other again. Alright. Ah, that was a fun Easter. So we get out of this fun Easter COVID situation. Mid-May 15th is when they're trying to open the beaches down here. That's what they're targeting, but who knows? That's gonna actually happen. But yeah, being safe, not going near anybody. As you can see, I'm the only damn guy out here. This area. So, can't think of a better sport for social distancing. That's for sure. Here we are back to the beach. kite down, and turn off the GoPros, call it a day. All right.